Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Asana to Outlook Calendar, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Asana website. Log into your Asana account using your credentials. Once logged in, click on your profile picture located at the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select My Profile Settings. In the Profile Settings menu, navigate to the Apps tab. Look for the Calendar Integrations section. Click on the Add Calendar button. Select Outlook Calendar from the available options. You will be prompted to connect your Outlook account. Click on the Connect button. A new window will open asking you to log in to your Outlook account. Enter your Outlook credentials and sign in. If prompted, allow permission for Asana to access your Outlook calendar. Once permission is granted, your Outlook calendar will be successfully connected to Asana. You should see a confirmation message indicating that the integration is complete. Return to your Asana dashboard to view your tasks and deadlines syncing with your Outlook calendar. To verify the connection, check your Outlook calendar for new entries from Asana. You are now ready to efficiently manage your tasks using both Asana and Outlook calendar. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.